Hello team, this is Rajan Vishwakarma from Mumbai, working with HDFC Life Insurance since last year. Today I am going to speak about a very major topic and very important, which is underwriting. The types of underwriting and what are the key features and how they works and what are the steps of underwriting that they are doing. The insurance underwriters assume the risk involved in the contract with an individual or entity. For example, an underwriter may assume the risk of the cost of an fire in a home or in return for a premium or mortality monthly payment. Evaluating an insurance risk before the policy period at the time of renewal in a vital function of underwriting. Now let's speak about a personal finance insurance. The insurance underwriter, what they actually work in this. Insurance underwriters are professionals who evaluate the analyze in the risk involved in the insuring people and assets. Insurance underwriters establish pricing of acceptance and insurable risk. The term underwriting means receiving remuneration for a willingness to pay potential risk. Underwriters use specialized software and actual data to determine the likelihood and very magnetic of the risk. And let's think about what are the key features and what are the key points of underwriting, what they works. Insurance underwriter evaluate the risk involved, insuring people and asset, establish pricing the risk. Second point is underwriter in investment banking guarantee minimum share price for a company planning in IPO. IPO stands for initial public offering. Second point is commercial banking underwriter asset of the risk lending individual or lender and charge interest to cover the risk and cost of the company assuming the risk. Last point is insurance underwriter assume the risk to future event and charge premium in the return of promise or reimburse to the client an amount to event damage or occurs. The insurance underwriter assume the risk involved contract individual or entity.
Go.
Now let's take example a very general underwriting tips. Let's example homeowners insurance underwriters must consider a numerous variable when rating of a homeowner's policy. Property and casualty insurance agents act as field underwriters initially inspecting the home or rental properties for a condition such as deteriorates roofs or foundations of a risk to the carrier. The agent report hazards come under home underwriting. The home underwriting additionally consider hazards that may trigger a liability claims. Hazards includes unfamiliar cracked side walls and presence to dead or dying trees on the property. These are the other hazards represents risk to an insurance company which may eventually be required to pay liability claims in the event of accidental drowning or slip and the fall injuries, including numbers of a factor which often includes an applicant's credit rating. Homeowners insurance underwriter enjoying an algorithmic rating method to the price. The system generates an appropriate minimum based to the platform's interpretation and combination of all data reported from the observation of the field underwriter. The lead underwriter also subjectively consider answers submitting by the applicant on the policy application when arriving at the premium. Now let's say how underwriter works. What are their points using in the working with the underwritings and what are the steps they are using. The underwriting are very trained insurance professionals who understand risk and how to prevent them. They have special knowledge in a risk assessment. They use scale and information decide whether they will insure something or someone and at the cost. So the underwriter look at the information agent provides. Then they decide to whether the company to willing to gamble you, but the job also includes. The first one is reviving information to the find the risk. Next is determining what are the kind of policy coverage, or what perils insurance company agrees to insure and under the with conditions. Next point is, so the underwriter look at the information agent provides, then they decide to whether the company to willing to gamble you, but the job also includes. The first one is reviving information to the find the risk. Next is determining what are the kind of policy coverage or what perils insurance company agrees to insure and under the with conditions. Next point is possibility change coverage by endorsement. Other point is looking in the solution to might reduce the risk for future claims. Other point is possibility negotiating with the agent or broker to find ways to insure when they are at the time of issuance. Applying for a life insurance is very easy, especially when applied for online. It may be take very few minutes once you have given basic details and provides you necessary information.